Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a try on haul of a bunch of jeans and a few like shackets that I got from Abercrombie. They had a big sale shortly after Christmas and I've been on the hunt for the perfect pair of jeans for my body. I tend to always go to jeggings and I don't know if they're necessarily the most flattering for my body type. I'm 5'1", I don't have any hips, I have a small butt, I have thicker thighs, and I'm very petite. I have short little legs. So to find the perfect pair of jeans is really hard. They're usually too long, they're too tight on the waist, or too loose on the waist, but too tight on the thighs. Like I have so much trouble finding, I'm trying to take my boot off, finding the perfect pair of jeans. So I placed a big order on Abercrombie. Like I said, right after Christmas, they had a big sale. And I got quite a few pairs of jeans, so I'm gonna try them on with you today, kind of let you know my thoughts on the style and stuff and how they work for my body. I got a couple shackets and then like a big furry, like puffer cropped jacket that's super cute. So if you guys like try on hauls, please let me know down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's just get right into my try it on haul. So these are the first pair of jeans. These are the high-rise mom jean. I'm gonna link these all down below. I have the size 26 short, which I love the length of these. I actually really like these pants. I'm trying to find like the perfect jean because I'm really short. I have a very like rectangle body. Like I don't have hips, I don't really have curves, I don't have much of a butt. So I've worn jeggings like my whole life. And I feel like, I don't know if those are the most flattering for me. I have thicker thighs, square hips, like no curves. And I don't know, I really like these. I like the cut of them. I like that they're high-waisted. This would be really cute if you were to like tuck a shirt into it. So I really like these. So these ones, I'm definitely keeping. I think they're incredibly flattering. I love the distressing on them. I don't feel like they make you look like you're like big in this area. What do they call that? A fupa? And I feel like they look flattering on the butt too. So these ones are the high-rise mom jeans. Called the Skinny High-Rise Curve Love. They're all in size 26 short. Love these ones as well. I just think that this is a more flattering cut and fit for my shaped body. They fit good on the waist. There's not like a ton of extra fabric right here. Love the distressing. Love where they hit. I think they look cute on the butt. These ones are a win, and I love the wash, the color of these too. They have a little stretch to them. They're not like the stretchiest pants I've ever worn, but they also are not like incredibly stiff. And I feel like they're just like really cute. Obviously I wouldn't wear my shirt like this, but I'm just trying to, my phone is so far away that I'm like trying to look in and see. But I like these. These ones also will be staying. I really like where the distressing is on the knees, the color, the wash, the fit. These are a win. Again, the Skinny High-Rise Curve Love with smoothing pockets in a size 26. 26 short. The next pair, this is the Skinny High-Rise Curve Love 26 short. This one feels a lot looser, like you can see. It has all the button detailing up the front, but this definitely fits, I feel, higher and a little looser. Like I could almost go down a size for my waist, because like look, I mean there's a lot of bagginess there, but they fit on the thighs. Like I have a little bit thicker thighs. I do feel these fit. I don't know, oh my god, my stomach is growling. I'm so hungry. I have bagel bites in the oven while I film this. I feel like they are a little bit baggier. There's way more like fabric right here. They are more stretchy. These ones I don't like as much as the other two. I don't know if maybe I just need to go down a size in this particular one, but I just feel there's like a ton of extra fabric, like too much extra fabric. So this one, this style, I might need to go down to a 25 and maybe it'd fit better and I'd like it a little bit better. I just feel like there's just too much happening here. So this one is, I like the look of them. I like to have like a non-distressed pair, but I just feel like there's too much fabric. I feel like this would also give me like saggy butt right here where it like drops down. So this one I might exchange for a smaller size, but I do like the cut of it. I like the button detailing. I like the color, but I think I just need a smaller size in this one. So if you're looking at this exact one, I would recommend maybe going down a size because the other 26s fit me perfect. This 26 fits. Jeans, these are called the Curve Love High Rise Super Skinny Ankle. Same size. I actually really like these. You can see that they do like, these ones actually feel really good. They feel like they fit really nicely. There's not a ton of extra fabric. They hug my waist really well. I feel like they hug my butt really good. The length is perfect. Like I love the length. These ones are too short or a 26 short. Love the distressing on these. Love the detail on the bottom here. I'm gonna link these boots too down below. I got them from Nordstrom, but I really like these. I think these are incredibly flattering jeggings on me, especially because of where they hit on the ankle. I'm out of breath. I literally just ran downstairs to pop in my bagel bites because my stomach is eating itself. I'm so hungry. So anyways, I really like these. I think a thing for me with jeggings is they have to hit where these ones do. And so often pants are so long on me because I am so short. So like when I order American Eagle jeans, I get the extra short, which I always have to order online. The short work okay, but they're still pretty long. I just am really petite. So I love these. These I'll definitely be keeping. I think the fit is perfect. The sizing is perfect. Super comfortable, nice stretch to them. Yeah, so these ones are a win. The skinny high rise Curve Love. I do not like these ones. They definitely are a little big on the waist. They're really high waisted, like my belly button is like right here. So they're super high waisted, which I don't mind. They're big. I don't feel like they're fluttering on my butt. There's a lot of fabric happening here. Like there's like too much, way too much fabric happening in the crotch, which I don't like. I also find like if this is your trouble spot, especially like if you've had kids, I mean, even if you haven't had kids, but if this is your trouble spot, the last thing you need is like a ton of extra fabric making that look puffy. So I don't love how much fabric is here. I don't know. I don't like these ones. I don't feel like they're flattering for me. Maybe if I got a smaller size. Again, this one is probably similar to that other pair where if I had a 25, I might like it better. Although I do feel, well, there's some stretch here. In the knees, it is a little tight, but these are definitely just too big. I think that's the problem. There's just too much fabric. They're too big. Isn't that funny how like you can have all similar styled jeans and some fit so big and some fit just perfect. So this one I might exchange for a smaller size. So if you pick up this exact one, you may want to size down one size, unless you like the more like loose fit. For me personally, I don't feel like it's doing anything flattering, and I kind of feel like a cowgirl in these pants with these boots. Let's see, let's try rolling them. Would cuff up if that's any better. Yeah, I think I might like these if they were, again, a size smaller, because there's just too much space up here, too much fabric here. Okay, here's a pair of jeans where we have the complete opposite problem. So they fit good on the waist, but my thighs are too thick. These are the skinny high rise, again, 26 short, but this is a stiffer jean. So it's like, sorry, just ran up the stairs again. I made these bagel bites, you wanna see? I got them at Safeway. They're just like the Starbucks one. They're everything bagel with vegetable cream cheese. So good. Okay, so once I can get them hiked up, they're right at my belly button. I love the color. I don't find that they're the most flattering on my butt, to be honest. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, my butt's looked better. It's kind of hanging on to like some banana roll fat under my butt. I don't have like one of those big, like perky, cute butts. I just, ugh, you know, she's a work in progress. Anyways, I love the slits in these. I'm like torn because I really like these a lot. Like the color, everything is so cute. Now that I've hiked them up high enough, they feel a little bit better, but the crotch is really low. Like the crotch is like way down here, and like, I mean, there's a lot of gap. Hopefully you find this helpful. Like this is stuff that I find helpful when I'm hearing people talk about jeans, because like I know what I like and I know what things are issues when trying to find jeans, especially being a non-curvy petite person with thicker thighs. Like the gap, the crotch gap where it's like hanging too low, or, you know, being too tight on my thighs, and, you know, being too long. But I don't know, these ones are like a 6 out of 10. They're like questionable. This is a maybe of whether or not I would return these. I think if I went up a size, they'd just be too big. There'd be too much fabric, and they'd be too big on the waist, because I feel like they fit really nicely on the waist. But they are a little bit tight on the thighs, which that may stretch out a little bit. So these ones are like, the other ones that I tried on that I'm keeping, pretty much the 3 first ones, those are like a 9 out of 10 for me, maybe a 10 out of 10. The other 2 that I'm gonna have to go for smaller sizes, if I had the right size and they fit properly, those would probably be higher up there, but this one's like a 6 or a 7. I'm still undecided about these ones. All right, this is the last pair of jeans. These ones are called the Skinny High Rise Curve Love. They're a darker wash. Love the distressing. They fit good on the waist. I'm not sure I'm crazy about the frayed bottom. They do feel like they have a little too much fabric right here. So I'm a little nervous like about them stretching out, but I do think they're pretty cute. These ones aren't my favorite out of the ones. They're probably one of my less favorites, but they are still pretty cute. So I think that I think if I went a smaller size, it'd be too tight on my waist, and then I'd be having a muffin top situation, but it might shrink down this part. They are pretty stretchy though, so I do feel like in this particular pair, I may be able to get away with a 25 instead of the 26. But these ones are okay. They're definitely not my favorite. Moving into the like shackets that I got. This one is very different than all the other like shackets I have. Those are all more like flannel, thicker flannels. These are like actually like Sherpa flannel type shirts, but it's like actual Sherpa. It has nice big pockets. This one is in kind of a gray, it's like a blue gray, white, and then the dark gray. Super warm and just really cute. I love these. I'm like a big fan of them this year. Just to note, this is an extra small, which I still feel like it's plenty big. If I would have went for a small, I feel like it might be too big for me. But the cuff is pretty tight. So like I always wear an Apple Watch, and I like would not be able to look at my watch unless I like pulled this down and had my watch out like that. But most people probably don't care about that. Just something to note if you do have an Apple Watch and you do check it often. If you have this closed over your watch, it's really hard to see your watch. But I really like this one. This one is the like blue gray one. This shirt is from Target, by the way. I'm gonna put the other ones on. They don't necessarily match with this shirt, but I'm starving, and so I'm trying to hurry and film this. Okay, this is one that I had on an Instagram picture today. It's the same like collection. It's that Sherpa feeling. It's a leopard print. All of these are an extra small. This one's super cute. I can see this being adorable over black leggings or black distressed jeans. I think that would be super cute. I think this would be just like such a cute travel-y one. I don't know. I just love leopard print. It's like the perfect neutral. So I really like this one as well. Very cute. Also in an extra small. This was the last one in that same collection. This one is in like a cream white color. And I really like this one too. So cute. I think this would look cute with like a little bit lighter denim. I don't necessarily love it with the dark denim, but I love the white. So those are the more like fleecy Sherpa type shirts, and they were all extra small. And then I got this gray one, and it doesn't say like what the style is, but it is a snap button versus those ones are like actual buttons. And this is a little thinner. So it's more of like a thicker like flannel that you would wear, thicker button up. I like this. Again, this one's an extra small as well. I feel like if you want something more oversized, you can go up a size, but I'm pretty petite, so if I try to go too oversized, like I drown in it. So it is a little bit tighter in the sleeves, but I just feel like it's super cute. And I have another one that's similar to this from Vichy that I like, and I'll wear like just a little white camisole underneath, not like a white t-shirt, and then you just like do like a tuck on one side, and then you have like your camisole, and it's actually really cute. It's not as cute with a high crew neck, but I like this gray color. It's like gray and white, like chevron almost. So I like that one. It's probably not my favorite out of the ones I've got, but I do like it. Next is the pink mauve color. I wonder if I should have got a small in this one instead of extra small. I might check out the small and see if that fits a little bit better. I like this pink. Kind of matches what I have underneath. I don't know. I think I like the extra small. So this one's the pink one. It's super soft. You can see it's like almost velvety feeling. So this one is like the mauvey pink color, and I just think it's really cute. And I loved the dark leopard print on it. I just felt like this would be great to wear, well, anytime, but like to the gym, because it's just super easy to throw on. Now, their jackets I had gotten a size small before when I was pregnant, and then when I was not pregnant, the extra small, or the small was too big. So I think extra small is the way to go. It's a little bit more of a cropped cut, and then you're either gonna love or hate these collars, because it kind of like, I mean, most people aren't gonna wear it like this, I guess, unless it's really cold. Ooh, I just like that color. I think it's really flattering on me now that I'm looking in the mirror. I like this color a lot. This dark chocolatey brown and black. Very cute. And it's this one right here. I don't think I'm gonna put it on because I'm just getting too hot. But it's this really cute nude sweatshirt, a little bit longer. I'm usually not one for like a ton of like name brand stuff or like their name across it, but I thought this one was really cute, and I'm like very into neutrals. And the last thing I got, this was on major sale. I got an extra small. I'm wondering if I should have got extra small instead of extra, but isn't this so cute? It's like this beautiful furry like gray taupe color. I just feel like I can button this, but my boobs are pretty big, so I feel like it looks funny. But I feel like this jacket is like not one that you would necessarily button up anyways. I mean, if it was really cold you would, but kind of more of like a fashiony statement more than like a practical jacket, even though it's very warm. I just don't feel like I would necessarily like button all these buttons up and be walking around like that. So the fact that it is like a little bit tight on that one button for my boob, I'm really not too concerned about it, but I love the color. They have a nude like faux leather, vegan leather one that I want, and I'm just waiting for it to come down on price. But has pockets. I think it's super cute. It's a great like chic-y way to dress up any outfit that you have. So anyways, that's that one. Guys, that is it for my try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are into these type of videos. I used to do try on hauls all the time, and it's been so long. So if you guys like these, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.